Quantitative research is a way of understanding the world through numbers. It helps us measure things, compare them, and see patterns that are difficult to notice just by looking at experiences alone. Instead of asking how someone feels or what something means, quantitative research asks questions like how many, how often, how much, or what is the relationship between two variables. Imagine you want to understand how sleep affects student performance. If you give students a short test and record their scores, you can compare results based on how many hours they slept. Now you have data you can measure. You can calculate averages, compare groups, or see whether more sleep leads to higher performance. That is quantitative research in action. It turns real life into numbers so you can understand the pattern clearly. What is quantitative research? Quantitative research focuses on collecting numerical data and analyzing it to answer specific research questions. It aims to be structured, objective, and clear. The goal is to measure something accurately and see the relationship between different factors. This type of research often uses surveys, tests, experiments, or numerical observations. The results can be turned into graphs, tables, percentages, or statistical findings. Where is quantitative research used? You will see it everywhere, especially in fields that rely on measurement, prediction, or comparison. Common areas include education, psychology, neuroscience, sociology, health and medicine, economics, engineering, public policy, any field that asks questions like how much, how fast, how many, how strong, or how different uses quantitative research. Why is quantitative research useful? It helps you measure something clearly, test a hypothesis, compare groups, look for trends, make predictions, generalize findings to a larger population, provide strong numerical evidence. For example, if you find that students who sleep more than 7 hours score higher in tests, you can use that numeric trend to support real decisions. Imagine you want to test whether a new teaching method improves exam results. You could divide students into two groups. One group learns with the new method, and the other learns with the regular method. After a few weeks, you give both groups the same test. If the group that used the new method scores higher on average, you have numerical evidence that the method might be effective. This is the type of structure quantitative research gives you. Key features of quantitative research: 1. Structured data. You know exactly what you are measuring. You collect the same information from everyone. 2. Large sample sizes. More participants give you more reliable patterns and clarity. 3. Statistical analysis. You use numbers to test relationships or differences between groups. 4. Objective. The researcher's personal feelings do not influence the data. The results are based on numbers, not interpretation. Qualitative research matters because it provides clear and reliable evidence. If you want to compare teaching methods, test a new training system, measure improvement, understand behavior patterns, or predict future outcomes, numbers help you see what is really happening. Quantitative research turns real situations into measurable information so you can make decisions based on clear evidence.